Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every contemporary home, the oak wood slat panel. Renowned for its elegance and functionality, this product has set a new standard in home decor. Let's explore why it's considered the best wall slat available in the market today. The oak wood slat panel isn't just another decorative piece. It's a testament to craftsmanship and versatility. Crafted from high-quality oak wood, each panel is meticulously designed to enhance any living space with its natural beauty and timeless appeal. What sets this panel apart are its distinct features. The interlocking slats not only add a contemporary flair but also provide a practical solution for organizing spaces. Whether used in the living room, bedroom, or even the office, these panels offer endless possibilities for customization. Built to last, each oak slat is carefully treated to withstand the test of time. The robust construction ensures stability while maintaining a lightweight profile, making installation a breeze for anyone looking to upgrade their interior decor effortlessly. From minimalist to rustic, the oak wood slat panel seamlessly integrates into various interior design styles. Its natural finish complements both bold and subtle color palettes, allowing homeowners to express their unique taste without compromising on aesthetic appeal. Beyond its visual charm, these panels serve a practical purpose. They're ideal for organizing spaces efficiently, whether you're showcasing your favorite books, displaying potted plants, or curating a gallery of memories with ease. In conclusion, the oak wood slat panel isn't just a piece of decor, it's a statement of style and functionality. With its exceptional craftsmanship, durability, and versatile design, it's no wonder why this product stands out as the best in its class. Transform your living space today and experience the beauty of modern simplicity with the oak wood slat panel. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews on the latest products that elevate your lifestyle. Until next time, happy decorating!